Today I will work on the front LED and fine tune some light shell on the car canopy. So today I'm going to do is to do the front LED and the front light and the indicator on the front left and right, and we make something on the rear light. Okay. After that, we'll paint the internal surface to be black color before to make the light fabric works. Okay, I got a 0.5 and 0.8 mm, and after that we'll fine tune the wheels and tires because there's some extra materials inside. This tire is rubber, the wheel is plastic. Let me show you. This is the Harper model, and it is two-piece. Okay. So the tires, the wheels feel shaky when the car is driving because there's extra materials inside, so I need to file it or smooth it a little bit and then put the rubber tire back. Okay, this is rubber. Okay. Okay, let's start. Alright, so I have done the internal black color. Okay, so I keep the top because I need to glue the glass. Okay, this is plastic. Okay. So basically I have done the internal, the electronics part, the soldering, tuning, LED. It's almost like 80% done. So now is the decoration time. Okay. I need one more day.